Hey guys, I'm Moyen from Joyous Balloon. Today I'm going to talk about how to twist this balloon bear. So this is the most basic balloon that all beginners would learn. So yeah, the focus on this balloon bear is actually on the pinch twist here. Right, so this is the ear twist or the pinch twist. Let's get started and subscribe to my channel if you like what I do, so that I can produce more quality video for you. Insert the balloon into the palm by one finger. Then hold it and pump up 1, 2, 3, 4 strokes. After that, we tie the balloon. Such, okay. Then we soften. So we have the 2-finger bubble. Then balloon. We have a 2-finger bubble, and then a 1-finger bubble. Then a 3-finger bubble. And a 1-finger bubble again, soften the balloon. 1-finger bubble. Soften the balloon. A 3-finger bubble, the forehead now. So this is the cheek, the ear, the forehead. So now, one more ear, soften the balloon. Then one more, same size as this. Cheek again. Then we can actually lock it. So with this, then we actually can lock it in. Pull, ear twist, we pull out and turn. Like that. The other side, hold the whole head, pull and turn. Okay, so we got that. Right, so that is the head. So now I'm going to do the arms. 4-finger, 1 bubble. 2 bubble, 3 bubble, 4 bubble. So a pair of legs, a pair of arms. Push it in. So this one we can do the body, right? Around like 7-finger. Attach. And one more 7-finger. Go in front. We are done. So this bit we can either tuck it inside it or burst it off. You can just tuck it in. It's not a problem. So we've got balloon bear like this. So that is a basic balloon bear that I've come up with today. I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel. See you again. Bye.